My name is Elke Brink and I'm a wealth advisor with PSG Wealth in Stellenbosch. I've been with PSG for 7 years now, and I also come from a family who are all in the industry, and all of them work for PSG, which I find quite special. So it's definitely an industry I grew up in, and it's something I have a very big passion for. I'm also currently one of the directors that form part of PSG R21. Our offices are located in Pretoria as well as Stellenbosch. I think one of the most valuable money lessons I've learned in my lifetime, which I definitely learned from my parents at a young age, and I think, of course, it helped a lot that they were in the industry, but I think it's a valuable lesson you can give to your children and even just start at a young age, should you be early on in your career now. But to really start investing and building up your investment portfolio as soon as you start earning an income and having that benefit of time. And by building up an investment portfolio, I mean not only saving in your bank account and saving in a savings account, but having exposure to the stock market, which we call growth assets, which definitely is the asset class, and we can go into more depth with asset classes, but the asset class that gives the biggest return over a longer time frame. And essentially that means you have a little bit of ownership in successfully listed companies. Should it be in South Africa or should it be abroad? And you take part in the growth that these companies will enjoy for a lifetime. Should it be your 30 or 40-year investment term in your lifetime until you get to retirement stage or whatever your investment goals may be. But starting off to save as soon as possible and making this a priority as well. Saving or investing first before you start budgeting for, should it be a household or a car or whatever your other day-to-day expenses will be. This should be your first priority. And it's also one of the most essential things. This will provide for your retirement. It will provide for your emergency fund. This will be the wealth you will build in your own life. So really prioritizing that. And as soon as you do start building your investment portfolio, also optimizing it by choosing the best investment vehicles, which you can definitely receive advice from a wealth advisor. But for example, starting to save in a retirement annuity, or should your company offer a pension or a provident fund where you can receive your annual tax benefits. So firstly, out of a tax point of view, optimizing your portfolio from day one. And secondly, choosing the right investment vehicles and diversifying in terms of how you invest. So this will not only assist you in a tax saving point of view, but also out of a return point of view because you invested in a diversified, appropriate way. So having exposure to growth assets and being in the stock market for a long period of time.